Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving with a mathematical mystery. Diving into our superstitual mathematical equation c plus 1 is equal to c. Some mathematical problems will have solutions, but some problems will don't have solutions. C plus 1 is equal to c. We have to find the c value. Let's do it in two different methods. What happens when we add 1 to a number is mathematically disappears. Who knew? Here our equation c plus 1 equals c looks very simple, but wait, something strange is going to happen. Meet our friend c, but we don't know c yet. It could be any number. Let's see what happens when we play with them. Let's see what happens when we subtract c from both sides. Then we get 1 is equal to 0. Then we just say 1 is equal to 0. That's impossible. What does this mean? It suggests that the original assumption is wrong. To make things work, c must be a special number. So finally revealing what c is. C is equal to infinity. Yeah, you heard was correct. Adding 1 doesn't change at all. Let's try for second method. We have to square the equation on both sides. Equation looks in the form of a plus b whole square, so formula for a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then we get a c square plus 1 square plus 2c is equal to c square, and an c square will be cancel out. Then we get 1 plus 2c is equal to 0. 2c is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 1 by 2. Let's verify by putting c is equal to minus 1 by 2 in the equation. C plus 1 is equal to c. Then minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then minus 1 by 2 in left side and minus 1 by 2 in right side cancel out. We get as 1 is equal to 0. Two methods we got as 1 is equal to 0. So c value is infinity. Let's give a round of applause for our friend c. There is no solution for c because the equation is inconsistent. Thanks for joining this mathematical adventure. Hit like button and subscribe, and let me know in the comments as if you have any other math mysteries to explore them.